Samuel, we're also not playing with the water bottles, right? Don't make me do a water bottle, please, too. All right. We are doing first graders. Put a bubble in your mouth. Somebody's treating it like it's their personal camera space. All right. We are doing module 1, lesson 35. Holy guacamole. Holy guacamole. Guys, don't look at her. Come on. Is she teaching this class? No, so we don't need to bother her while she's trying to blow her nose. All right. I need you guys to listen very carefully so we can do this together. Okay. The teacher spilled 18 beads on the floor today. 18 beads. Holy cow. A student picked up 17 beads. Then Miss Kennison had to sanitize them. Hardy har har. Hardy har har. Silly, you know, with all this no touching and social distancing and all that. All right. Okay. So the teacher spilled 18 beads. Put it away. What is that? Yes, you can change it. Okay. A student changed 18 beads. A student picked up 17. Total beads. A student picked up. Second graders, I cannot talk over you guys, okay? Please don't make me do it. My voice is going to give out. No, I know. Just hold your horses, okay? I appreciate the enthusiasm. Yes. Okay. 17 of them got picked up by a student. You say, how many are left? How many are left? On the floor. At 18 beads minus 17. Can I count backwards to solve that problem? Can I count backwards? Right? 18, 17. Oh, how many steps backwards did that take? Only one, right? Right? Did you know that? Excellent. Excellent. So I'd say one. And then I would say I got, because it's a word problem, I got, Amy, get on Zern, please. Because it's a word problem, I also have to have my answers in words. Okay, so I would say there is one bead on the floor. Okay, or one bead, yeah, there's one bead on the floor. Okay. Okay. I want you guys to show me 7 on your fingers. 7 on your fingers. Very good, right? We should have 5 fingers on the on your left hand. Okay. 2 on your right, or vice versa. I don't really care. Eureka Math would like you to start on your left hand and go to your right, just like when you read, you start on your left hand and you go 1. You know, you read in this direction. So Eureka Math thinks you should also count sometimes in this direction. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we would say there's 5 on one hand. How many's on the other? 10. Right? And then if we said, okay, we've got 7 altogether, I've got 7 minus 5 equals 2. So that would be my number sentence, Cambry. Come on, you need to take a drink and then that drink keeps going, okay? So our number sentence would be 7 minus 5 equals 2. All right. Now I'm going to give my thank you those of you who are being quiet, who are listening and showing me how awesome you are. If you're not being quiet, change your ways. Okay, here's my Rhetoric. I've got 10 altogether, right, on this top line. If we were to count, it would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay? So I'm going to put them all back. Okay. I'm going to start with 8 beads. Good, Danny. You can erase that. 8. Okay? I'm going to start with 8 beads. And just like when I was counting on my hands, I'm going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So my problem would be 8 minus 5 equals what? Right? And say 8 minus 5 equals what? Okay? And we're going to start our 5 groups. We're going to start, so just like yesterday, those of you who follow directions, and I need, Anaya, I need you paying attention. I don't know why this is so painful. Put that down. Just put it down. Get in your seat and eyes up. Okay? Hey, yeah. Making me crazy, Danny. That's what they're doing. Okay. We're going to draw our pictures. For those of you who did this work correctly, yesterday you drew your pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're practicing making 5 groups. 6, 7, 8. And so the 5 group is actually really easy when you cross out your 5 that you take away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many do you have left? 3. Very good. I knew Danny knew. I knew lots of you guys knew. Anaya, stop. 3. Okay, 3. Right? Okay. All right. Now, what did I have? 9 minus 5. My 9 has a funny little hairdo, I guess. It turned out kind of funny. If I do 9 minus 5 and I do my little drawing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Counting those 5 at a time make it really easy to cross out and see how many I have. I'd like it if you guys just quietly showed me on your fingers, not shouting it. Jimmy, what is your question? Oh, I'm so glad that you get chit chatting. So could I call on you if I hear your little voice going No, I can't. I can't call on you if you're just being disruptive. What? Miss Kennison doesn't call on disruptive people? Henry, what are you doing? Oh my goodness. Let's do 10 minus 5 equals. And once again, I'm going to draw those pictures and I'm going to break it up into groups of 5. Okay? And you know it wonderful. Okay? But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I cross out those 5 I'm taking away. I have how many left, everybody? 5. 5. Okay? All right. If you draw those things, and you could do something like this too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take away 5. I've got 5 left. No. Just hold your horses. I know. She's so excited to get her whiteboard out. Okay. We're going to do 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Jimmy, I'd really like it if you did it with us. And it's going to be hard because you have a whiteboard on your lap because you're not following directions. Okay? And then we take away 5 and we have 4 left. All right? Okay? Can you guys, let's put Let's put 9 on your fingers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this time we're going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 5 left. Anaya, I'm going to ask you for the 150th time today. Put that stuff away. Leave it alone and participate. I thought we had a very nice chat at recess, and I thought you were going to start working with me. It's just like riding a bicycle. Learning is just like riding a bicycle. Can you ride a bicycle just by looking at it? No. Can you ride a bicycle just by being in the same room as it? No. You have to do the work to ride a bicycle just like you have to do the work to learn. Okay? You're not going to learn through osmosis. You're not going to learn just by existing in it. You have to do the work. And work is sometimes hard, but right now I don't think it's too hard. You need to do the work. What, Ashley? Very quick. All right. Now, who remembers when we do things like 5 plus 5, what's that called? What's that called? Ooh, 5 plus 5 are called what, Max?
10.
That's the answer, but what is it called when we do problems like 5 plus 5? What's that called when we do problems like 5 plus 5? Who remembers? Ooh, I got 2. Ooh, Miranda.
And the doubles?
A doubles set. Very good. Very good. 5 plus 5 are doubles. And pay attention. 1 plus 1 are doubles. 2 plus 2 are doubles. Yeah, pick that up. It shouldn't be on the floor. You shouldn't have even been touching it. Okay? Those are our doubles. So we go 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. Jimmy, put that stuff away because you're not participating. Because you're too busy worried about it. Because it's on your lap. And I told y'all not to do that. Okay, so I'm getting a bit grouchy pants. I don't know where Mr. Squatrito went. I thought he was going to come back. Well, I'll just have to see. Yeah, he disappeared, man. He disappeared. Okay. Mr. Squatrito, the second graders need to get to work on their sprint from yesterday. And then finish up their work that they started yesterday. Their lesson 11. Lesson 11. I was just wondering what they should. It's the one right before their lesson in their workbooks, but who the heck knows?
Hey, get your Eureka math workbook out. Rudy, come sit back here. Valerie, just so I don't have to yell today. And you've already sat around. Sit there. Please go get your Eureka math.
All right. All right. So today, when you guys do your work, you're going to have a sprint that looks like this. Now, some of you guys seem to think that you're going to change your stuff and you have to get things. Excuse me. Shh. I know second graders are being a little bit loud. But first graders, thank you for staying with me. When you get to a problem like this, so it's like 2 minus 2 equals blank. 1 minus 1 equals blank. And then you get to 0 equals 10 minus blank. You need to pay attention to where that equal sign is. If your equal sign is over here, you're not doing 0 minus 10 or whatever. You're doing 0 equals 10 minus what? Well, I know 10 minus 0 equals, or sorry, 10 minus 10 equals 0. Jimmy? What, Danny?
So I know the answer, but
Okay, you just decided. Okay. All right. So if you have 0, so there's a whole line of ones like this. 0 equals 9 minus what? 9 minus what? So you need to pay attention to where that subtraction sign is. With what? A lot of you. Anaya, sit. Or stand right there, but you don't get to get up or run. Okay? It is 9, right? Because you're paying attention to where your subtraction sign is. Okay? All right. What if we have problems like this? 10 minus blank equals 9. Well, look at this. This is where my subtraction sign is. I need to say 10 minus what equals 9? What is it? 1. Right? Pay attention to where you're going when you get to your sprint. Okay?
Not that one. So, one more page.
Next up is a paper that looks like this.
Yes. Not the very first page. It's the second.
Okay?
page.
It's gonna be less than 35.
Not the first.
I don't know what number it is in your books. You're just gonna have to go past the one we did yesterday. And I have to stop playing with everything. I'm gonna have to like get everything out of your desk and off your desk so you'll actually listen. Okay. Come on. There we go. All right. So
Right.
if I have a problem like this and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have a problem that says 6 minus 5 equals blank, and then I have 6 minus 1 equals blank. Okay, on the first one, 6 minus 1, I'm gonna say 6 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross it out. How many do I have left? Everybody should know this. I should see it on your fingers. Show me on your fingers. Hayden, don't be looking at them. They don't know the answer. You should know the answer because you should be looking up here. 1. Thank you. Okay? And then we have 6 minus 1. Well, I'm going to cross out that 1. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is what you need to be doing on those first couple problems. Then when you get to the problem, so this is a whole new section, problem number 4. Don't do this for problem number 2 because you get it wrong. 6. Once you start jumping around like that, you lose the privilege of standing. You're going to use your desk as a jumping board, you don't get a stand. If you can stand nicely next to it, I maybe don't mind it. Okay, I usually don't. Except for in a pandemic where I have to be the mask and social distancing police, and then I mind it more. But when you start using it as a jumping board, you lose the privilege. Okay. 7 minus 5 equals blank, and then 7 minus 2 equals blank. What's your big number? 7. Right? That should go right into your number bond. And then guess what? You need to make your math drawing. I should see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then if you cross out 5, 1, 2 are left. And I know if 7 minus 5 equals 2, then obviously, using that same thing, 7 minus 2 is going to equal 5. 2 and 5. That's what you're going to be doing on the ones like 4 and 5. Okay? And then you got to keep going. Same type of thing. You find that missing number. Visualize or draw those 5 groups to help. Okay? Fill in your number bonds. So, all right. Please get out your workbooks. I already told you you were banned from standing. You don't get a stand if you keep leaping off your desk. I don't know why you think the rules just suddenly change for you all the time. Not how it works. So weird. All right, boys and girls who were at home and did not attend our live meeting, stop, go back to the section, pause it, and do that work, then turn it in on Class Dojo.